Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This is part of my weight loss journey videos. So I'm out at the lake. So I got my pizza. I got my Bluefish Terracotta pizza oven here. And we're gonna do some diet pizza. I'm just gonna do a healthy, low calorie, whole wheat pizza. If you want to see the dough recipe to that, go to my other channel, Tiki Pizza. I have a whole series on the pizza diet. But for today, we're just going to make a low-calorie pizza on my pizza oven, and then we're going to hit the lake and do a little kayaking for exercise. Alright guys, I got my dough recipe from the book called The Pizza Diet. Basically, I'm just using whole wheat stone ground flour, and this apparently is very healthy and you can lose weight on it. Of course, there's a few other things to the pizza diet. Calls for some moderate exercise, and the stone ground whole wheat flour pizzas for lunch, and then you basically have the do the Mediterranean diet for your other meals. So basically eating healthy, lots of vegetables and I'm just going to build my pizza on the pizza peel here. I put a little semolina on there. I don't really like these metal pizza peels because when they get warm, it just everything sticks to it and you have a horrible, horrible pizza liftoff. But it's not too hot today, and we got the semolina flour on the bottom there, so it should hopefully slide right off. But we will see. And I got some nice Rao's sauce today. Rao's is actually a famous Italian restaurant in New York. They did have one in Caesar's Palace for a little while, but that one has closed. But that was the one time I got to try the Rao's in a restaurant, was Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. All right, because it's diet pizza, we're just going to go very light on the toppings. I just want the basically the pizza flavor. I find the whole wheat stone ground flour in the dough recipe kind of makes it taste a little bit like say a whole wheat pita. Put a little oregano on there. They say if you pinch the oregano, it releases the oils. Alright, we're just going to get this in my blue terracotta fish pizza oven.
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.